Want to get new Messenger features before everyone else? In this video, I will show you exactly how to join the beta program for Facebook Messenger. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So now let's get started. First thing to do is make sure that you're running the latest update of the Messenger app. To check, go to your Play Store and search for Messenger app. If there's an update, go ahead and update the app first. After that, let's open the Messenger app. Now below, click this three lines icon or the menu button. And then after that, click on settings. Next, we have to scroll down and look for early access to features. We'll see in here this new option to join the beta program. Let's go ahead and enable this toggle. Now when turned on, you can try new Messenger features before they are released to the public. Messenger app may be unstable because features are still in development. If you want to leave the beta program, you can turn this off at any time. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please follow and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.